Sitharman has previously advocated for international cooperation to decide on the future of cryptocurrencies and has been wary regarding popular acceptance of cryptocurrencies due to threats to financial stability. Welcome to CryptoLink channel. If you love getting news and updates about cryptocurrency, join our community by subscribing to our channel. You can tap the bell icon to never miss our new videos. If you enjoy our channel, kindly like and share it with your friends. October 17, 2022. Cointelegraph posted a tweet stating, India's finance minister said that #crypto development is on the agenda during the G20 presidency. India's proposal to create standard operating procedures, or SOPs, for cryptocurrencies throughout its G20 presidency, which runs from December 1, 2022, to November 30, 2023, was made public by Nirmala Sitharman, the country's finance minister. Sitharman has already appealed for international cooperation to decide on the future of cryptocurrencies and has been wary of widespread use of cryptocurrencies, citing threats to financial stability. However, she affirmed that cryptocurrency will also be on India's agenda throughout its G20 presidency in a discussion with local Indian media on October 15. Group of 20 or the G20 is an international meeting for discussing the most important problems affecting the world economy. No nation can manage or control cryptocurrency successfully on its own, claims Sitharman. However, if it concerns platforms and the trade of newly produced assets, are we able to determine what objective the money trade is being utilized for, given that all of these countries are capable of comprehending the buying and selling that results in profits? Sitharman also brought up the Enforcement Directorate, an Indian law enforcement organization, which has discovered the usage of cryptocurrency holdings in money laundering. She continued by saying that the G20 members shared the same worries and emphasized the need of having all nations participate in the effective regulation of cryptocurrencies. A list of the desired characteristics and justifications for the Reserve Bank of India's under-construction central bank digital currency was published on October 7. The 51-page booklet provides a summary of the main factors that led to the creation of the digital rupee, including confidence, safety, settlement finality, liquidity, and integrity. Reduced operating expenses and increased financial inclusion are two of the main drivers behind India's virtual currency. On October 15, 2022. 3 new cryptocurrency trends to watch as the price of Bitcoin stabilizes. According to another tweet from Cointelegraph. Here are the trends you want to be ahead of before the next bull market comes. This week, the price of Bitcoin fell after a hotter than expected CPI, or Consumer Price Index, data revealed that high inflation remained a problem despite a series of interest rate increases from the U.S. Federal Reserve. An interesting thing happened. Bitcoin and Ethereum prices recovered the whole of their intraday losses to conclude the day in the black. This suggests that investors had already factored in the market's unfavorable reaction to a high CPI figure. A brief glance at Bitcoin's market dynamics reveals that, despite the post-CPI print decline, the price is still trading across the same range as it has over the previous 122 days. The peculiar circumstance in which futures open interest of Bitcoin is at a record high and its volatility is also very close to record adds to this dynamic, according to Cointelegraph market expert Ray Salmond. History will also demonstrate that it is almost hard to foresee the direction of these shifts, even though these elements and other signs have previously preceded explosive value movements. So, despite the fact that several measures suggest that a significant price change is about to occur, Bitcoin is continuing to behave just as it has for the previous 4.5 months. Given that, it might be time to begin searching elsewhere for new trends and potential possibilities. The emergence of new rotations. The asset currently matches the bearish trend which rules the rest of the market since Ethereum's worth has lost its appeal in the post-merge environment. The price of Ethereum has dropped 30% from its $2,000 peak since the merge, though it's possible that a significant percentage of the speculative capital that supported the optimistic merge narrative is currently invested in stablecoins seeking for the following investment opportunity. In addition to Ethereum's uneven performance over the past 4 months, Cosmos also resisted the downward trend in the market by registering a massive gain from $5.40 to $16.85. As extensively reported by Cointelegraph, oversold circumstances and the buzz around Cosmos 2.0 supported the strong price movement witnessed in the cryptocurrency. The updated Cosmos white paper states that the present Atom supply will dynamically change in response to the demand and supply for its staking. According to the aforementioned chart, new supply of Atom tokens is strong during the initial 10 months when Cosmos 2.0 kicks in. However, after 36 months, the asset starts to deflate. Technically speaking, Atom's price seems to have reached a local high because the months preceding up to Cosmos 2.0 were just a purchase the rumor, sell the news sort of event. However, it will be fascinating to observe how Atom's price develops as the market moves into month 20 in the figure shown. Observe the Ethereum network's activities. Despite the fact that the price has fallen dramatically, Ether emissions have decreased by 97% ever since Ethereum merge. In the months to come, investors should monitor gas spikes, changes in Ethereum staking across institutional products and decentralized finance or DeFi, and Ether network activity. While the price may succumb to bearish force in the near future, it's conceivable that Ether's price may respond favorably to those changes if the market starts to turn around or if latest ideas lead to an increase in the usage of DeFi products. Bitcoin price movement will probably continue to rule after the merge. Even if new trends for various cryptocurrencies can appear, it's essential to keep in mind the larger environment wherein crypto assets are present. Global economies are in trouble, and the United States and numerous other nations continue to struggle with chronically high inflation. Bond prices are volatile, and a growing debt issue becomes more apparent every day. Even the strongest price movements in risky investments like cryptocurrencies are vulnerable to the whims of macro variables such as geopolitics, equity markets, and other market events that affect investors' sentiment. Considering this, Bitcoin continues to be the most valuable asset in terms of market cap within the cryptocurrency industry, and any significant changes in Bitcoin's price are certain to either support or suppress any microtrends that may be developing in the industry. While numerous criteria may suggest initiating long positions in different cryptocurrencies, it still looks too early to completely go in. Traders are recommended to determine investment amount according to their individual appetite for risk. That's it for our today's video. So, what can you say about the news? Let us know about it in the comments section down below. Thanks for tuning in to CryptoLink. We are always excited to provide you with news and updates about cryptocurrency, and if you like this video, please click the like button. See you on the next one.